Jai Jai Shri Sudarshana. Sant Tukaram, born as Tukaram Boloba in Dehu, near Pune in 1598 CE. He was known for his 40 lakh abhangs on Vitoba. He was married to Jijabai and had 2 children. Almost every Ekadashi, Tukaram used to travel from Dehu to Pandharpur to enjoy Vittal's darshan. Even when Tukaram suffering from poverty, he was deeply devoted to Vittal. Like many disciples, Chhatrapati Shivaji also wanted to become his disciple. At the age of 40, one fine day, Tukaram had a dream of Vittal and saying, I am sending Garuda Vimanam to you, kindly accept and come to Vaikuntham. Next day, Garuda Vimanam came flying from the sky on the river bank of Indrayan. While devotees were watching, Tukaram was singing Abhang and sat on Garuda Vimanam and left Vaikuntham in his mortal form. Till date, every year on this day, devotees gather in that place and sing his Abhang. Warkari starts in Dehu, carrying his padukas of Tukaram in Palaki and reaches Pandharpur of Ashada Ekadasi along with devotees. Pundalika Varde Hari Vittal Namdev Tukaram Pandrinath Maharaj Ki Jai.
Jaya 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 Tum Pandari Hoya Hoya Varakari Santoniya Valavanta Santoniya Valavanta Kaya ichi si Vaikunta Kaya ichi si Vaikunta Kaya ichi si Vaikunta 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 Sadhu Sandha Chadatani Tuka Jaya Lotangani Tuka Jaya Lotangani Tuka Jaya Lotangani